This demo shows the punctuation correction button, one click to fix punctuation spacing across an entire document. Here's the file: misplaced spaces, stray punctuation, awkward parentheses, and random extra spaces. Click the Punctuation Correction button on the Javansoft tab. A dialog appears with checkboxes. By default, corrections for spaces around punctuation and parentheses are selected. I'll enable extra spaces for a full cleanup, then click Go. The add-in scans the document and fixes everything instantly. Notice how spaces around punctuation marks are corrected, parentheses spacing is fixed, and double and triple spaces collapse to single spaces, as well as including table contents. All corrections are applied. The document is now clean and consistent. One click cleans punctuation across your whole document. This is just one of dozens of functionalities provided by our add-in. Try Javansoft today. Lifetime license, one-time payment.